Hi children, last class we completed our chapter Nationalism in India. Today we will study mainly the important years, the important years related with our freedom movement and map question from this chapter. So from history 2 mark map will come. We will study which all are the questions will come for map. So first we will study which are the important years related with this chapter Nationalism in India. So ma'am taught you all the years, just we will rewind. So first ma'am will tell the first world war and second world war. Ma'am told you first world war happened in 1914 to 1918. First world war started in 1914 and ended in 1918. Then ma'am told you about second world war. Second world war started in 1939 and ended in 1945. So that you must know. Now we will study the years related with our chapter. 1914 in your text mentioned starting first world war. So 1915 that you know Mahatma Gandhi reached India. Mahatma Gandhi returned from Africa to India. So what is the significance of 1915? Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi reached India. India, that is 1915. Then we studied 1917. 1917 we studied two movements. Champaran Satyagraha and Kheda Satyagraha. Champaran Satyagraha and Kheda Satyagraha started by Gandhiji. First movement or first Satyagraha started by Gandhi. Champaran Satyagraha. Then Kheda Satyagraha, both in 1917. Then we studied about 1918 Ahmedabad mill strike. Ahmedabad mill strike. Mill strike. Then next one 1919 Rowlatt Act. Rowlatt Act and Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Jallianwala Bagh massacre and Rowlatt Act. So Jallianwala Bagh massacre you have to study the date also, 13th April 1919. Then we studied about 1920-21. Khilafat and non-cooperation movement. Khilafat and non-cooperation movement. Khilafat and non-cooperation movement 1920-21. Non-cooperation movement. Next one 1922. 1922 Chauri Chaura incident. Chauri Chaura incident. Due to Chauri Chaura incident, Gandhiji decided to call off non-cooperation movement. Chauri Chaura incident. Next one 1928 Simon Commission. Simon Commission reached India. So ma'am told Simon Commission, a commission under the leadership of Sir John Simon came to India. Had 7 members, that everything ma'am told, came to India to study about our constitution and suggest changes. But there was not a single Indian member. So what happened? We welcomed the commission with a great slogan, Simon go back. Then ma'am told next year 1929. 1929, that mainly what ma'am told, Purna Swaraj. Lahore session of Indian National Congress declared Purna Swaraj under the presidency of Jawaharlal Nehru. Purna Swaraj declared Purna Swaraj. So 1915 what happened? Mahatma Gandhi reached India. 1917 Champaran and Kheda Satyagraha. 1918 Ahmedabad mill strike. 1919 Rowlatt Act and Jallianwala Bagh massacre. 1920-21 Khilafat and non-cooperation movement. 1922 Chauri Chaura incident. 1928 Simon Commission. 1929 Purna Swaraj. Now 1930 Civil Disobedience Movement. Civil Disobedience Movement. or Salt March, Dandi March, everything you can tell. 1930. Okay, 1930 we can tell one more thing, one more depressed formation of depressed class association. Depressed class association formed by Ambedkar. Okay, depressed class association formed by Ambedkar, that also in 1930. Then we can tell 1930, 31, 32. Okay, 3 round table conference. First round table conference, second round table conference, third round table conference, that is 1930, 31, 32. Okay, 1931 you can another incident happened, that is Gandhi-Irwin Pact. Gandhi-Irwin Pact, 1931. Gandhi-Irwin Pact. Okay, 1932 Pune Pact. Pune Pact. Okay, 1932 Pune Pact. 1931 Gandhi-Irwin Pact. Okay, then next 1942 Quit India Movement. Quit India Movement, the movement, last movement started by Gandhiji. Quit India Movement. Okay, then 1947, that you know what happened. India became independence. Okay, India became independent. India got freedom. Okay, then 1950, that also you know significance of 1950, Republic. Okay, India became Republic. Okay, so 26 January 1950, 26 January 1950, India got a constitution. Okay, that day we are celebrating as Republic Day. Okay, so these are the important years you want to know about our freedom movement. So once again ma'am will tell 1930 civil disobedience movement, depressed class association. Okay, 1930, 31, 32, first round table conference, second round table conference and third round table conference. 1931 Gandhi-Irwin Pact, 1932 Pune Pact. Okay, then 1942 Quit India Movement, 1947 you know India got freedom, 1950 India became a republic. Okay, so these are the important point. Okay, now we want to know some Indian National Congress session, which are the important Indian National Congress session held. So ma'am told one Indian National Congress session held in 1920. Okay, September 1920 in Calcutta. Okay, so what is the significance of that Indian National Congress session? Under this Indian National Congress session, Gandhiji convened. Okay, Gandhiji convinced other leaders to the need of non-cooperation movement, to support Khilafat movement. Okay, then second, one more international congress session held in 1920 December. Okay, in Nagpur. In this session of International Congress, what happened? Gandhiji decided to adopt non-cooperation movement. Okay, Gandhiji decided to adopt non-cooperation movement. One more is there. Okay, 1929, the Indian National Congress session held at Lahore. Okay, that declared Purna Swaraj under the presidency of Jawaharlal Nehru. So these three important Indian National Congress session also you want to know. Okay, so children, I think these all years clear to you. Now we are going to study about the map. Okay, so which all are the question will come for map, that everybody want to know. Okay, 2 mark map only will come. So children, first we will study the map question related with the Indian National Congress session. Okay, which all are the important Indian National Congress session we want to know for marking the map. So first one, Calcutta session of Indian National Congress. Okay, it held in September 1920. Kolkata is in West Bengal. Second one, Nagpur Indian National Congress session held at Nagpur in December 1920. Here September, here December, both in 1920. Okay, December 1920. Nagpur is in Maharashtra. Third one, Madras, an Indian National Congress session held in 1927. 1927, Madras, you know, Madras is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, then last one, Lahore session of Indian National Congress that held in 1929. Lahore is in Pakistan. Okay, Lahore is in Pakistan. So these are the map question we want to know. Okay, related with the Indian National Congress session. Okay, one Indian National Congress session, for marking one session. Okay, it will ask. Okay, one place of Indian National Congress session will ask. Okay, and one it will be the places related with the national movement. Okay, so 2 mark map will come. Our next section of map, that is related with the important centers of Indian national movement. Okay, so that will come for marking important centers of Indian national movement. Okay, first one, Champaran. Champaran, you know, Champaran is in Bihar. Champaran is in Bihar and it is the movement of indigo planters. So question will come, the place that is related with or the movement of indigo planters. So you have to write Champaran, Bihar. Okay, so first one, Champaran, Bihar, movement of indigo planters. Second one, Kheda. Kheda is in Gujarat. Kheda is in Gujarat. A peasant satyagraha. Okay, peasant satyagraha in Gujarat, Kheda. Okay, or peasant satyagraha related with Gandhiji. It is in Kheda, Gujarat. Third one, Ahmedabad mill strike. Ahmedabad is in Gujarat. Ahmedabad is in Gujarat. A cotton mill workers satyagraha. A cotton mill workers satyagraha. So question will come, the place where cotton mill workers satyagraha held. Okay, so Ahmedabad, it is in Gujarat. Next one, Punjab, where the Jallianwala Bagh, the place where Jallianwala Bagh incident happened. So Amritsar. Amritsar is in Punjab. Amritsar is in Punjab. Next one, Chauri Chaura. Chauri Chaura is in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, an incident that led to the calling of non-cooperation movement, like that also may ask. Okay, so Chauri Chaura is in Uttar Pradesh, calling of the non-cooperation movement. Calling of the non-cooperation movement. Okay, next one, Dandi. Dandi is in Gujarat. Dandi is in Gujarat. Okay, the place related with the civil disobedient movement. Dandi is in Gujarat. Once again, ma'am will tell, Champaran is in Bihar, Kheda, Gujarat, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, Amritsar, Punjab, Chauri Chaura, Uttar Pradesh, Dandi, Gujarat. So Dandi, Kheda, Ahmedabad. Okay, these 3 is in Gujarat. Okay, so other state, other places, state only you want to know, these 3 in Gujarat. I think you understood. So these are the map question will come for your exam. Okay, anyway children, I think today's topic is clear to you. If you have any doubt, ask me. We will meet in the next class.